Hello everyone, in my today's video I am going to do tie and dye on dupatta. So I have taken a plain dupatta and I have started putting knots in it. Like I have left some space and put some rubber band. The same way I have done for the second one. If not rubber band, you can use threads like this to just tie it. So make maximum number of knots and then I will show you how to do. So I have put knot in the full dupatta like this. So entire dupatta I have put knots. I am going to make this single color. So now what you need to do is put water and damp the cloth. So I am going to damp this dupatta with water. You can either use hand to do it or you can use any kind of brush to put water. So damp it fully, that all the entire dupatta should be of water so that the color spreads easily. I am using fabric color here. I am using blue color. I have painted my entire dupatta. Here I am using my painting table, so even if it becomes dirty I can clean it later. You either use a table or you can use your sink or wash basin, anything, so that your place doesn't get dirty. So I have painted like this. So let it dry. Meanwhile I'll be showing you other method of doing this. I'm going to use one more dupatta to do the second type of it. For the second method, I have taken a cream dupatta. I have folded it into two half. Okay. So now I'm going to place a clip in the center of it. Tightly hold it. And I'm going to roll it this way. Right. Let me roll it and then I'll show you. So with one hand I'll not be able to show you. So this is crumbled this way. Now we are going to tie it. More the sides you give, more colors you can put. I have tied it this way. I have used rubber band. I have put 3 rubber bands in this partition. Now I am going to wet this dupatta. Like the same way we did the previous one. I am going to damp it with water and then start applying colors to it. I have damped this with water. Now I am going to use multiple colors in it. For each division I am going to use one color. The same pattern, just apply color on the cloth. Since this has water in it, the color will start spreading very soon. I have painted, wait, let me show you. I have painted it now. I have used white, orange, yellow, green purple and then again yellow. So if the cloth is wet enough, the paint goes inside. If it doesn't go inside, you can open it lightly and paint it inside. Okay. I don't think my cloth is much wet, so the result will be according to it. Let this dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to open the first dupatta that we made. I'm going to untie it one by one so that we can see the result. This is how the dupatta looks after we untie it. It's not yet dried. You need to dry this at least for 24 hours, and you can wash it after 3 days. I'm going to untie this now. So this t-shirt I have made it in the other way. I have not used fabric paints. I have used food color. So I will upload this in my next video. So kindly check into it. I hope you all like the tie and dye in the dupatta. If you like, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.